Today is November 6th, 2025, and you're tuned in to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast, your essential 2-minute market recap. Yesterday saw a choppy session on Wall Street, with the S&P 500 edging down 0.1%, closing near 4,700. The Dow slipped by just under 0.1%, finishing at 34,600, while the Nasdaq dipped 0.2%, ending just below 14,400. Tech sector jitters and surprising headlines drove much of the market's action, and the spotlight is squarely on AI stocks after a dramatic day. Let's dive into the key stories you need to know. First up, Michael Burry, famous for The Big Short, made waves betting against two AI darlings, Nvidia and Palantir. Burry's hedge fund snapped up bearish put options worth a combined $1.1 billion. His reasoning? Signs of speculation and heavy infrastructure spending echo the dot-com bubble. Nvidia and Palantir shares dropped 4% and 8%, respectively, with Palantir's CEO questioning why Burry is betting against fast-growing, high-profit firms. Burry warns that markets could be saturated with hype. For investors, it's a vivid reminder to scrutinize frothy valuations, even when momentum is strong. Shifting to Asia, SoftBank tumbled over 14% in Tokyo trading, the steepest drop in years, as Asian AI-linked stocks sink amid valuation fears. This followed declines in U.S. tech peers and raised fresh doubts about just how much AI is already priced in. SoftBank's plunge highlights how sentiment can shift in crowded trades and shows the global impact of U.S. tech stock volatility. On the earnings front, Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, reported better than expected results, but the stock fell 1.5%. Wall Street's concern? Guidance for future growth and margin worries overshadowed the earnings beat. It's a reminder that even strong numbers may not satisfy high investor expectations, especially as sector valuations stretch. Turning to macro trends, private payroll data from ADP showed the U.S. economy added 42,000 private sector jobs in October, signaling a rebound in hiring after months of slowing growth. While job creation was modest, economists see it as positive momentum for the labor market, potentially supporting consumer confidence and spending heading into the holiday season. Finally, in investment trends, the search for stability during market swings is driving fresh interest in high-dividend materials stocks. Analysts are highlighting companies with strong cash flows and reliable payouts as safe havens during periods of turbulence, an option for investors seeking yield while awaiting clearer market direction. To recap, major indexes closed just below flat, S&P 500 at 4,700, Dow at 34,600, and Nasdaq under 14,400. The big themes, volatility in AI and tech, a shifting macro picture, and investor caution on valuations are all at play. Looking ahead, watch for more earnings reports and Friday's official jobs data for clues to the market's next move. Don't miss tomorrow's episode for more market insights. Subscribe and follow for your daily trading edge.